Let's see question 2. A person with a myopic eye cannot see objects beyond 1.2 meter distinctly. What should be the type of corrective lens used to restore proper vision? Before we discuss this answer, tell me one thing. In order to view the distances beyond 1.2 meter, what should be the focal length of the lens? Well, of course, it should be 1.2 meter, right? Thus, we know that focal length is 1.2 meter. Now, power is 1 upon f, so it will be 1 upon 1.2. Thus, power is 0.83 diopters. So, for the person suffering from myopia, the corrective lens will be concave or diverging lens with a power of 0.83 diopters. Do check out complete chapter on the human eye and the colorful world and also other grade 10 science and math chapters and experience the sheer joy of learning. Have a great day. Bye bye.